welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin and thanks for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and we'll keep bringing the videos. So for right now, let's check out what we got cooking. Okay, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. At the store the other day I found these Bratwurst Patties. So we're going to smoke them on the Pit Boss Pro Series 1100. They're pretty thin. Well, you can see that in there. They're pretty thin, so they're probably going to smoke up pretty quick. But we're going to put it at 225, get them on the grill and let them go for a while, and we'll just keep checking them. Should be pretty tasty. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'm just going to put my all-purpose rub, otherwise known as garlic pepper. I'm just going to sprinkle it on both sides. And I notice these are pretty thin, so I've backed down to 200 degrees instead of 225. I want to let some of that smoke get in it. I'm using some pecan hickory mesquite blend from Pit Boss. So let's just get these on there. And you know, hey, at Man Kitchen Recipe, we like things easy, so these patties, you just can't beat it. You just pre-made bratwurst patties, throw some AP seasoning on there, garlic pepper, get them on the grill. It's that easy. That's how we like it. No sense in making it difficult, right? We're going to check these probably in about, maybe 20 minutes since they're so thick. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. We'll be back. At 2:05 right now. I'm going to give them a check just because they're so thin. Yeah, it looks like they're doing pretty good. Let's see if we need to flip them. They actually look pretty good. I think I will give them a flip here. Nice smoke coming out. So I'll let these go about another 20-25 minutes. We'll be back. Okay, I don't know if you saw my smoked cheese video, but I did have one piece of cheese that was kind of melting. And this is it. We're going to use that because you can see there's nothing wrong with it. So for our brats, we're going to use this smoked Monterey Jack. Look at that. Nothing wrong with it at all. So let me get this sliced up so we can put it on the brats. 25 more minutes in. Look at that. 205, 200. Keeps going back and forth. This Pit Boss is awesome. Alright, let's give them a look. Well, they look really good. I'm not sure we can get a temperature on these or not. I think we're about there. I'm going to get the cheese on them. Okay. Yeah, those look good. All right, we're going to let them go for about, I don't know, 5 minutes or so, maybe 10. Here in New Mexico, we are at a shelter-in-place or stay-at-home situation due to the coronavirus, the COVID-19. So Did not go out to the store to get buns. We're just going to put these on some bread and have them like that. We'll probably toast them up. They'll still be good, staying home and being safe. Thank you. Okay, let's give them a look. Yeah. I'll tell you what, that's daylight savings time. It's a lot better than me having to put a flashlight in there like I have had to all winter. Right, look at those. Well, we're going to go put them together. Show you a couple of pictures of them. I'm sure they're going to be delicious. Hey, thanks for watching Man Kitchen Recipes. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll keep them coming.